Hello world, I built a house, a digital one. Like in the real world, the web is made of different districts, different areas. If we think it as a big city, there's the business district where you find all the .com domains. There's the .org area where you find all sorts of organizations. And now we have new domain extensions too, like .shop, .club, .store, and so on. The web is becoming a much bigger place. And I built my home in the .xyz neighborhood. You can enter the building over at modzero.xyz. I know that to some of you, this domain extension sounds a little bit sketchy. And you're right. Many XYZ domains are used for spam or phishing. This is also why some of you might receive a warning when you try to visit modzero.xyz. But there are also a lot of great organizations that decide to build their headquarters with an XYZ extension, like Google. They decided to use abc.xyz for their corporate site, Alphabet Inc. I decided to use an XYZ domain because modzero.xyz is the digital center of all my creative activities. I simply call it XYZ. Actually, I built it as if it was a real building. Instead of pages, you have rooms. Most rooms are private or with restricted access only to those who work there. I built a digital workspace to collaborate with other creative people. But there are other areas of the building that are open to the public too. And then there are some rooms that you can enter only if you have a key. Yes, you need a key to get in, a digital one. Where can you find a key? In some of my videos. If you look close enough, you can find secret keys that you can use to enter special areas of XYZ. In fact, if you look close enough, there's one in this video too. You see that? Here you go. I can move it also over here if you prefer. Whoop. A key can be a word, a sentence. It can include numbers too. Sometimes I use an icon to help you spot the key, or I simply type key and then the secret key you can use to get in over at modzero.xyz. It really depends on the video and on the location where the video was filmed. So if you find the key, head over to modzero.xyz. There's always a place where you can type in your key. Type it in. Here you go. Enter and enjoy whatever adventure awaits for you. I'll see you inside.